That's freaking awesome. It even took, did you notice there was that wrinkle and it like took it out? Oh, amazing. Literally good as new. This is so easy, it's ridiculous. It's free, no glue, no razor blades, no tools. You just need 3 things: a needle or a sewing pin, a hair dryer, and some kind of scraper. This is a Cricut tool, but you could use a credit card, anything thin, a pan scraper, anything thin that can push the bubble out. Now, first, I just want to say I love Commmand hooks, and I will always recommend them for RV living. This bubble problem is the only problem I have ever had. Everything stays up, and it's only with a few of them. I think it's a combination of user error and possibly heat, because I have noticed that some of the RV walls get pretty hot during the summer. Only in certain spots though, and those spots are where it has bubble. So that bubble is from this hook here. I had my daughter's robe on there and I think she was kind of pulling it, but this wall does sometimes get hot. And then there were the 2 that I fixed that were right here. And then this one here that I haven't fixed. This hook was right there, but I moved it down because I didn't quite know how to fix this yet. I'm thinking it has to do with putting too much weight on the hook. Every Commmand product has a weight limit, so if you put too much on there, I could see that it would pull the wallpaper kind of away, especially if the wall gets warmed up, because all you have to do is warm up that glue and it'll separate. Okay, this is 3 super easy steps. The first thing you want to do is heat the wall slightly with your hair dryer. Now, just a little bit. Don't use a heat gun. That's not safe. That is an excellent way to start a fire. If you don't have a hair dryer, borrow one or go buy a cheapie and then donate it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to make a small hole in the bubble with the pin. You don't want it too small. If you just barely prick it, the glue is going to heat up and just seal that hole right back up. So you want to make sure that your hole is big enough to let the air out as you smooth it. The last thing, as you're heating it up with your hair dryer, you're going to use your tool, whatever kind of scraping tool you have, and you're going to just smooth out the bubble, and you're going to go around that hole so that you're pushing the air out, because you don't want to just go whoosh, because you might make a wrinkle and it'll just seal that hole up and you'll make a wrinkle. So the purpose of this is to heat up the glue on the wall, and then you're just going to scrape all the air out and it magically disappears. It's amazing. Okay, let me just show you that one more time. That's freaking awesome. It even took, did you notice there was that wrinkle and it like took it out? Oh, amazing. Literally good as new. It is finally spring. I love springtime. What's your favorite season? Do you have a favorite season? I feel like most RVers, it's like spring and summer, obviously. The only thing about warmer months is ants. If you haven't had them in your RV yet, you will. So click this video, save it for later, share it with any of your friends that might be having some ant issues. Spring is also a fantastic time to do some regular RV maintenance, especially on your water heater. We show you how easy it is in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.